Hey everyone, Dave Sports Cards here. Back from another break. Today, I'm doing, what is this, a Mega Box? I think it's like the retail, I don't know, jumbo Mega Box, but 2019 Bowman Platinum Baseball. I didn't even know they were still doing Bowman Platinum. I didn't think they were for 2019. I don't know why, but was at Walmart. Saw they had it. Didn't even know it came out until that was coming out actually until even today, so I just happened to find it. But this is, was it, how many packs is this? 20 packs with 5 cards per pack and 2 autographs in every box. So yeah, I think it's like a retail hobby box essentially. They did have blasters, but I opted for this. Look for new on-card autograph content inside. So the odds, you guys can pause that, check that out. So let's just get right into it. Yeah, I don't think I've ever done one of these platinum boxes like this. These jumbo ones or these megas. I don't know. I'll have to see what they're actually called. They probably are mega versions, but I've done boxes of this size for Topps Fire last year, but not platinum. So let's see what this is all about. There's the packs. They don't even lay them down flat, so I got some ding corners. Oh, that's how 2019 is going, though. At least for, well, actually, I think I had some ding corners in Hobby this year, too. But, I don't know. Topps must be doing something different. But, big ol', oh, there goes one. Big ol' stack of packs here. Gently set these down. Wait, these are uneven. My lighting moved. A little bright. There we go. Alright, let's try this out. I'm just going to move these actually. We're doing a lean. Pack number 1, 2019 Bowman Platinum. So let's see what this is all about. The cards are nice looking. Noel V. Marte, Justice Sheffield rookie, Jake Lamb, and Ronald Acuna Jr. These are nice looking cards. Christian Pack, or Pash. Don't worry, I got it wrong. Oh, pack number 2. It's a different card in it. It's got a numbered card, 25, okay. Jared Kelenic, Jordan Adams, okay, wow. 25 of 25. Griffin Canning. Wow, okay. Chris Archer and Willie. Wow, okay. Wasn't expecting out of 25. Griffin Canning. He was the Angels' number 2 pick in 2017. Okay. Interesting. I'll have to look him up. Mid-90s fastball. Huh, Southern League All-Star recognition. Interesting. So, a Griffin Canning orange auto out of 25. This is a sticker auto, but that's a nice looking card. Sweet, okay. I'll set that off to the side. 25 of 25. That's pretty cool. Bryce Trang, Tommy Romero, Prismatic Prodigies, Brady Singer insert. Off to the side. Danny Jansen rookie and Josh James rookie. actually try and sort this a little better. There we go. Hunter Green, Tristan Casas. It's one of the I can't remember. I think someone told me, but I can't remember. I did pull autograph of him out of 2018 draft. It's actually a pretty nice card. Pete Alonso rookie. There we go. That's a nice one. Brandon Crawford and Robinson Cano. Casas. Oh, I know someone told me. Jose Azocar. Tigers, haven't heard of him. Griffin Conine. Renowned rookies. Brad Keller. That's kind of a cool looking card. Yasiel Puig in a Reds uni. And Miguel Cabrera. I just got a card of him out of museum collection. He was still in Dodgers uni. So that's a cool looking card. Kind of stadium clubby. I don't know, something about it. Next pack. Try not to take too long on this break. Liam Jenkins, Sheldon Noose, Prismatic Prodigies, Taylor Widner. Pulled an autograph of him out of 2019. Bowman, Joey Gallo, and Joey Votto. Actually, I think that's the exact same photo, too. I'm pretty sure that's the same one they used for his Bowman card. Vladimir Guerrero Jr. Of course, that's still a prospect card. It's not a rookie card. Yeah, still a prospect card. Weird because he's got rookie cards, and this product just came out, so they must have already had it set up like that. Nolan Gorman. Eloy Jimenez rookie. There we go. That's a nice one. Christian Stewart rookie and Max Scherzer. He broke his own face in batting practice and went on the pitch. Dude's hardcore. There's no stopping him. Bobby Dalbec. Owen White. Another autograph right here. Mitch Haniger, Corey Kluber, and I guess we'll just show it. Third base. Wow. Nolan Gorman. Okay. Nice. Not bad. Nolan Gorman. Wow. Okay. Dang. Well, this was a good box. Wow. Nolan Gorman. First round draft pick. Cardinals' #1 pick in 2018. Man. Dang. That's awesome. Let my fiance pick this box out too. Of course, well, yeah, I let her pick it out, yeah. I was going to say she picked out my museum box, but she didn't. The guy at the card shop did. I let him. Diego Cartaya, Josh Brew, or Bro. Josh Bro. Michael Kopech, Jacob deGrom, and Jose Ramirez. Not having a very good year this year. Blaze Alexander, Alex Kirilloff, Justice Sheffield, renowned. I really like that insert. It's a nice looking insert. Cody Bellinger and Josh Hader. Yeah, that renowned rookies insert set's really nice looking. Matt Vierling, Sean Murphy. Nice one. Prismatic Prodigies, Vladimir Guerrero Jr. That's a nice one. Zach Greinke and Dakota Hudson rookie. Ronnie Mauricio, Griffin Canning. Actually, I want to set that aside because I might have more info on it than the autograph. I want to read about him. Platinum Presents, Matt Chapman. These are usually a really nice looking insert every year. I do like these, the Platinum Presents. Corbin Burns rookie and Alex Bregman. So Pete Alonso, Eloy Jimenez. So we're looking for Tatis. Kristen Hira. Cole Roederer. Ramon Laureano. Jose Altuve. And Tuki Toussaint. Rookie. Ah, there we go, finally. Yeah, there's one. Dinged corner. That's actually, I think, the first dinged corner I've actually seen in this box, so. Okay. Heliot Ramos. Tristan Pompey. Carter Heboom? Carter. That looks like an H. I know it's Carter Keyboom, but that looks like an H. Ozzy Albies, AJ Pollock. So I'm looking at him like, that's, I know Carter Keyboom, I don't know what Keyboom, but yeah, it looks like an H. Ethan Hawkins, Luis Uraz, Platinum Presents, Juan Soto, that's a nice one. Nice looking card. Francisco Lindor and Juan Soto base. I do want to say I think color is hard to hit for base. Purple being the easiest, and those aren't. Actually, I think there's a purple in here. Brewer Hicklin, Darius Valdez, and well, wasn't that a coincidence? Luis Urias, purple, number 236 to 250. You guys haven't seen my finest boxes yet. Go ahead and check those out. Albert Pujols and Cedric Mullins. Having flashbacks of finest, which was a fun break. Estevan Florial, Casey Mize, Nomar Mazara, David Price, and Salvador Perez. Because I know someone's going to ask price point on these. $79.99. I'll still get people asking though. Yusniel Diaz, Nick Madrigal, renowned rookies Corbin Burns insert, Starling Marte, and Rafael Devers. Last two packs. Connor Wong, Bo Bichette, renowned rookies Kristen Stewart, Chance Adams rookie, Brian Anderson, and the last pack, 2019 Bowman Platinum. I'm going to end on, looks like an insert. Maybe. Or purple. I don't know. Insert. Brock. What? Deathridge? Deathridge? This looks like Deathrage. Let's call him Brock Deathrage. He's not happy. Carlos Cortez. And, oh, it's a purple one, though. Oh, nice. Joey Bart. Platinum Presents purple. 149 250. Joey Bart. Sweet. Take that. Steven Duggar and Victor Robles. So, for $79.99, I'm actually pretty happy with that, I think. Platinum isn't going to outsell products like Chrome or Finest. It's never really been known for that. Kind of like Inception, but these are some nice looking cards. I really like these inserts. I think the renowned rookies might be my favorite inserts, though I'm not sure. It's between that or the Platinum Presents. But overall, I think this was a pretty nice box. Got the Pete Alonso rookie and Eloy Jimenez rookie, purple rookie out of 250 of Luis Urias, and the Joey Bart Platinum Presents purple out of 250. And then I think I did pretty good on the autographs. Nolan Gorman. I'm just checking the corners. Corners look good. Nolan Gorman. They are sticker autos, but Nolan Gorman auto and Griffin Canning orange auto, number 25 of 25. So I'll take it. Yeah, yeah, I'll take that. So I'm pretty happy with that box. I think I definitely beat the odds getting that orange, and then I bet this Platinum Presence purple, I bet that's got some high odds on it. Let me see if I can real quick find them. Top prospects, renowned rookies, prismatic prodigies. I'm finding Platinum Presence purple 1 in 396. So not bad on that. The autograph. Oh, where'd the autographs go? They're 1 in 14 packs. Okay, autograph blue, icy, autograph orange, 1 in 492 packs. Purples are 1 in 80, so I killed the odds with this box, so I can't really complain about that. I think I got some pretty good names for the autographs and the parallels even. So, but yeah, I think it's pretty nice looking set this year. I do like the design. I think the cards are pretty sweet. I think I'll quit while I'm ahead on this product. I think I'm ahead. Could be. I don't know. But I'm happy with that break. So, well, I hope you guys enjoyed the break. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the next one.